Good day. Today I'll be presenting my proposal on implementing an integrated digital facilities intelligence platform in SPFM. Currently, SPFM operates largely within a reactive facilities management model. Maintenance actions are triggered after breakdown. Data is stored across different systems and reporting is quite manual. The goal of this transformation is to shift from reactive maintenance to predictive asset stewardship, where we use data to anticipate issue before it happens, improve asset lifecycle performance, and create sustainable long-term value. To understand the problem, I apply the iceberg model. At the surface level, we see delay response, fragmented data, and reporting inefficiency. But when we look deeper, we start seeing patterns, silo system, inconsistent integration, and limited real-time visibility. At the structural level, legacy system and unclear governance ownership restrict scalability. And at the deepest level, there are mental models. Facility management is often seen as operational rather than strategic. They may also be concerned about AI reducing professional control. So the issue is not lack of tools, it's systemic misalignment. To address this, I propose implementing a digital facilities intelligence platform, a fully integrated digital platform that connect IoT sensors, predictive analytics, ESG dashboards, and AI-driven reporting into one ecosystem. This allows real-time visibility, cross-departmental integration, and predictive maintenance planning. Importantly, it also embeds governance control to ensure transparency and accountability. So the focus is not automation for efficiency alone, it's intelligent decision support. However, digital transformation introduces ethical risks. Using the trust stack framework, we can see risks at multiple levels. Infrastructure trust relates to cybersecurity, data trust concerns consent and transparency, algorithmic trust focuses on fairness and bias, and institutional trust depends on clear governance ownership. If these concerns are not addressed early, trust erosions can occur, and that can undermine the entire transformations. To ensure responsible implementation, governance must be embedded from the start. First, I recommend aligning with the NIST AI Risk Management Framework, which structures governance around mapping risk, measuring bias, and continuous monitoring. Second, we must apply safety by design before launch. This includes privacy impact assessment, bias simulations, cyber security stress testing, and human-in-the-loop protocol for high-impact decisions. AI literacy training is also critical to prevent blind reliance on system output. Governance should not be reactive. It must be built into system design. Technology does not transform the organization. The leadership does. Using the ADCAR model, we create awareness by clearly communicating the strategic urgency. We then build desire by addressing identity concern and positioning AI as augmentation, not replacement. We develop knowledge through structured training. We then build ability through pilot implementation in selected properties, and we reinforce adoptions by aligning KPI with predictive metrics. Structurally, SPFM must adopt ambidexterity. The exploit engine maintains operational stability. The explore unit drive innovation with protected resources. This ensures innovation is not suppressed by day-to-day operation pressure. Culturally, psychological safety is key. The team must feel safe to experiment, learn, and improve, but of course within ethical guardrail. Reflecting on my own leadership, I recognize that I naturally lean towards the operator archetype, prioritizing compliance, reliability, and control. But this transformation requires balancing operator disciplines with innovator adaptability. I must consciously switch between these roles. To manage resistance, I will focus on dialogue rather than directive, And to foster collaborations, I will implement cross-functional pilot review forum to create shared ownership. This requires ambidextrous leadership, balancing discipline with flexibility. The key takeaway is simple. Digital transformation is not just a system upgrade, it's a leadership upgrade. Technology change processes and leadership change culture. Both are required for sustainable success. To operationalize this transformation, we must pilot the Digital Facility Intelligence Platform in selected properties, and then ring-fence innovations budgets, followed by align KPI with predictive performance metrics, and embed ethical governance from day one. These steps ensure responsible and scalable implementations. In conclusion, SPFM transformation journey is about moving from reactive facility management to predictive asset stewardship. With structured change management, ethical governance, ambidextrous leaderships, and cultural alignment, SPFM can achieve sustainable, data-driven value creations. Thank you.